Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel Compact Router, delivering full corded performance with fast, accurate depth adjustments and the runtime to complete 250 feet of 3/8-inch roundover cuts on a single charge. The new M18 Fuel Compact Router comes equipped with a Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence. When paired with the Red Lithium M18 XC 5.0 battery pack, the router is able to generate 1.25 horsepower. Achieve fast, accurate adjustments by utilizing the secure macro adjust button and accurate micro adjust dial to set up for the perfect cut. The M18 Fuel Compact Router is compatible with the new plunge base and offset base accessories. Experience the power and accuracy of the M18 Fuel Compact Router with corded performance, fast, accurate depth adjustments, and the runtime to cut up to 250 feet per charge.